Here's my selection area, selection priority. Right now I have no selection priority, so I could be hovering and getting a face or an edge or a point. In fact, if I was hovering an area where I could possibly be getting more than one thing, I could press and hold the left mouse button, and there's your select other kind of choice and go that route. But I could also come down here and say, you know what? I only want to be picking faces, no edges. Okay. And if I want to turn that off, I go back to my selection priority and turn off faces. So toggle it on, toggle it off. Bodies and so on. In fact, that's not really that impressive a pick. Here, let me go over that keyboard. And now you can see how moving my cursor over everything, it just depends what I'm on. But if I change my selection priority, and you may notice I could make that a button up on my toolbar for these different ones. But I could say bodies. All right, they're the bodies that make up these different things. Or components. Notice how much more is selected when I'm hovering over that clear button than the other ones where I can see the switch and everything below it now. And again, turn it off, and now I'm back to whatever I happen to be on. So definitely use that to your advantage. In fact, with this current visibility, with that data panel turned off, I really should go and pin those to the toolbar. Now you get to see that again. If you have too much pinned up top, they start collapsing. You don't see everything that you had. And yeah, that's the downside. That's why I turn off the data panel.